PLS, I want to share with you a little bit about the Veni Veni composition, which I find quite fascinating. I'm not sure we ever really talked this through, but I want to make sure you understand it. Here we have at the top the chant in the original Gregorian chant notation, at least what we've used for the last 150 years. And you'll see the staff only has 4 lines with the neumes. We don't call them notes, we call them neumes. And these double neumes are ligatures all the way through. And then the text of at least the first verse is underneath here. That's the melody that we all know and recognize. Veni, veni, Emmanuel, captiva solvem Israel. But what, and you recognize this melody, it comes all the way through the piece. What makes this really interesting to me, though, is the composer uses these words, ERO CRAS. Where does he get those words? Well, in the traditional Latin approach, liturgical approach to celebrating Christmas, there are 7 services getting ready for Christmas Eve, starting on December the 17th, 18th, 19th, etc. And each of those services has a different prayer, a different what we call antiphon, that is chanted and sung at the same spot in the service. Each of these are specific to the day, and you'll see the opening words in Latin here. O Serpentia, O Adonai, O Radix. They all start with the exclamation O, so these are all called the O antiphons. If you take these in reverse order, starting with the earliest first, in reverse order, starting with the latest first, and you look at the first letter of each of these lines, you get ERO CRAS. That's where these 2 words come from. And what's really fascinating is if you put all those words together, those letters together, ERO CRAS actually means, literally, the translation is tomorrow I will be, or tomorrow I come. So this is another way, a double way of saying the Lord is coming.